What are our two flagship brands? At Less Pain, More Gain, LLC, we have two different flagship brands where one is a service and the other is a product. Our flagship service is the patent-pending TrapEAZE technique. With our service, we educate healthcare professionals who can diagnose and treat so they can utilize a proven system to help eliminate their patients' upper back pain. Our training is 11 hours long plus the time that it takes to perform a live online initial examination and treatment in order to get your completion certificate. Beyond a completion certificate, certification is offered to those practitioners who want to elevate their ability to utilize the TrapEAZE technique. All practitioners who achieve certification can use the TT designatory letters on their business card after their profession's initials. Our flagship product is Pain Away, which is a liquid topical pain relief formula that was formulated by our founder, Dr. Justin. Pain Away has been specifically formulated for tender and sore muscles, which is required for around 20% of all upper back pain patients whose pain is also caused by tenderness. Pain Away is 100% all natural because it's made from 13 carefully selected Chinese herbs that are in an ethanol base, which delivers drug-like molecules to the areas of the body that needs it the most. It's also made right here in the USA. TrapEAZE technique practitioners get special wholesale access to Pain Away by the case. To discover more about both the TrapEAZE technique and Pain Away, sign up for our free 70-minute upper back pain skills and tools workshop. It then leads into our tell-all webinar, which reveals specific details about both.